Dear student, welcome to next lecture of Econ 365 Farm Management and Production Economics. In last lecture we have already discussed about the farm planning. Now we will study about farm budgeting. Okay, as we know, the budget is essentially a presentation of cost and returns. Means budget means it shows the presentation of different cost and the returns from farm activities. Accompanied by means it includes a statement showing the physical quantities of inputs and output associated with each value figure. Means the cost of some physical quantities or cost of some inputs and the returns from some output, it is shown by the farm budget. Okay. Now the main objective of budget or main objective of calculating budget is to measure the returns expected from the plan. What is main objective of calculating budget? It's to measure the expected returns from the plan, from the farm plan. Okay, it is the main objective of farm budgeting. Okay, so farm budgeting is a method of analyzing the farm plan for the use of agricultural resources at the command of the decision maker. Means according to, suppose the manager is a decision maker, so on the command of manager or on the command or on the order of manager, farm budgeting is a method of analyzing the farm plan for the use of agricultural resources. Okay, so as we know, farm plan is a program of total farm activity of the farmer drawn up in advance. Means what is farm plan? It is a advance program, or it is a program which is made in advance of total farm activities by the farmer or by the farm manager. Okay, now what will be the farm budgeting? So farm budgeting is the expression of farm plan in a monetary terms by the estimation of receipts, expenses and net income is called budgeting. Means the expression of farm plan in monetary terms, means in a value or in rupees, by estimation of receipts, means income receipts, expenses means different cost, and net income is called budgeting. Now in another words, farm budgeting is a process of estimating costs, returns and net profit of a farm or a particular enterprise. So what is farm budgeting? Farm budgeting is the process of estimating different costs, returns and net profit of a farm or a particular enterprise. Now as we know, farm planning and budgeting go side by side. Means both are required on the management of farm. Now objective of farm budgeting. Which are the main objectives of farm budgeting? What is the purpose of farm budgeting? Okay, so objective of farm budgeting to estimate the profitability of a particular pattern of organization, farm planning and budgeting. Means for estimation of profitability of particular pattern of organization of farm planning and budgeting is required. Means to study the profitability of particular enterprise, farm planning or farm budgeting is required. Now second objective, to determine the change in profit that are likely to follow a particular change in organization. Means to determine the change in profit of the farm budgeting is required. Now last objective, to compare different organizational patterns or alternative changes in organization on a profit basis. Means for the comparison of the different organizational pattern, we need the farm budgeting. So these are the three objectives of farm budgeting. You just keep in mind what is meant by farm budgeting or definition of farm budgeting. So farm budgeting is the process of estimating cost, returns, net profit of a farm or of a particular enterprise. Now Types of farm budgeting. So question may be asked, define farm budgeting, explain in detail types of farm budgeting. So there are two types of farm budgeting. First one, partial budgeting or the enterprise budgeting, means budgeting of particular enterprise. That's why partial budgeting is known as the enterprise budgeting. Okay, then complete budgeting or full budgeting. So these are the two types of farm budgeting, partial and complete budgeting. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is partial budgeting. Okay, so partial budgeting refers to estimation of or estimating the outcome or returns from a part of the business. What is partial budgeting? It refers to estimation of outcome or estimation of income or returns from a part of business, that is from one or few activities, that is from particular activity. So it is a partial budgeting. Okay, in a situation where relatively small modifications have to be made to the existing organization, a partial budget will suffice, means partial budgeting will be used. Means if a situation is occurred, if I have to make a small changes or small modification in my farm enterprise, I will do the partial budgeting or I will apply the partial budgeting technique to make or to modify the enterprise or modify the organizational setup of farm business. Okay, now the partial budget is conveniently presented in the form of an account with the source of increased revenue, added cost associated with the proposed change in organization on the credit side, and the detail of increase in cost and reduction in revenue on the debit side. As we know, for every budget there are the two sides, that is credit side and the debit side. So in a credit side they have added so increased revenue, means after I have make some modification I will get the additional revenue or additional income, that is on the credit side, and those who are additional cost which are required for the some modification or change in organization, that are on the debit side, means revenue on credit side and costs on debit side. Okay, the extra profit or loss is likely to arise out of proposed plan is then divided from the difference between the two totals, means here profit and loss also calculated by the partial budgeting arise out of the proposed plan, means because of small changes or because of proposed plan there are chances of profit or loss, it also be calculated by differentiate between these two. Okay, so this is about the partial budgeting. Now next type is complete budgeting, or otherwise it is called as the full budgeting. This method is used to make out a plan for the whole farm. So complete budgeting is used to make out a plan for the whole farm or complete farm. So before that, partial budgeting is for small changes or for particular activity, but here this method, means complete budgeting, is used to make out a plan for the whole farm. Okay, in situation involving extensive remodeling of the farm organization, a full budget is called for this. Means in a situation which involves the extensive or major changes on the whole farm, then you can apply the complete budgeting. Okay, this entails setting out all the individual cost and return item for the farm so that overall net return is from the whole unit. Means here we can change all the aggregate or all the individual cost and return items of the whole farm, so it will affect the overall net return from the whole unit. Okay, means here in complete budgeting, if I want to make the whole changes or total change in the farm activities or total change in the all the inputs, then ultimately or automatically it will affect the whole net returns or total complete net return of the farm. Okay, it relate to or it is related to efforts to consider all aspects of farm organization simultaneously. Means in complete budgeting we have to consider or we have to think about all the aspects of farm organization. Means all the things which are included in the farm organization we have to think about the all while doing the complete budgeting. In preparing the complete budget, all the physical data are included, all the cost and receipt item have to be calculated. Means here in case of partial budgeting, we think about only one activity or only one particular enterprise, but here while doing the complete budget or while preparing the complete budget, we have to think about the all the physical data of all the costs and receipts item have to be calculated. Okay, this procedure include 6 main steps. Means for complete budgeting there are the 6 steps. So while doing complete budgeting, first step, listing out available resources and stating objectives. First step is listing of available resources and setting the objective. Okay, first. Second, estimating crop areas and livestock number. Third, estimating physical inputs and outputs. Fourth, estimating factor and product prices, means calculating cost and returns. Fifth, estimating fixed cost, means land. Then total, last step, totals and layout of budget, how to work out a partial budget. So these are the 6 steps in the complete budgeting. Okay, so this is about the budgeting, partial budgeting and complete budgeting. You can refer the book of V.T. Raju and another book by Zoll and Kapoor. Thank you.